In this video, I will show you how to quit smoking naturally. Embarking on the journey to quit smoking cigarettes can be both challenging and rewarding. The decision to quit is a significant step towards a healthier lifestyle, and opting for a natural approach can make the process more sustainable. In this blog post, we'll explore effective methods to help you quit smoking naturally, providing insights and practical tips to support you on your smoke-free journey. Understanding the addiction. Before diving into the natural ways to quit smoking, it's crucial to understand the nature of nicotine addiction. Nicotine, a highly addictive substance found in cigarettes, creates a dependency that affects both the body and mind. Breaking free from this addiction requires a holistic approach that addresses both the physical and psychological aspects of smoking. 1. Set clear goals. Start by setting clear and achievable goals for yourself. Define why you want to quit smoking and what benefits you hope to gain. Whether it's improving your health, saving money, or enhancing your overall well-being, having a strong motivation will serve as a constant reminder of why you chose to quit. 2. Gradual reduction. Cold turkey isn't the only way to quit smoking. Gradual reduction allows your body to adjust to decreasing nicotine levels, making the transition smoother. Create a plan to gradually reduce the number of cigarettes you smoke each day until you reach your ultimate goal of being smoke-free. 3. Embrace healthy habits. Replace smoking with healthier habits that occupy your hands and mind. Engage in activities such as exercise, meditation, or pursuing a hobby. Physical activity not only helps distract you from cravings, but also releases endorphins, contributing to an improved mood. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can aid in flushing out toxins from your body and may help reduce cravings. Moreover, keeping yourself hydrated supports overall health and can alleviate some of the withdrawal symptoms associated with quitting. 5. Natural aids. Explore natural aids to assist in the quitting process. Herbs like lobelia, valerian root, and passion flower have been traditionally used to support individuals in overcoming nicotine addiction. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any herbal remedies into your quit plan. 6. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness techniques and meditation can be powerful tools in managing stress and anxiety, which are common triggers for smoking. Learning to be present in the moment and practicing deep breathing exercises can help you navigate through challenging situations without relying on cigarettes. 7. Seek support. Quitting smoking is not a journey you have to face alone. Seek support from friends, family, or join a support group. Having a network of individuals who understand your struggles can provide encouragement, accountability, and motivation. 8. Professional help. Consider seeking professional help if needed. Smoking cessation programs, counseling, or nicotine replacement therapies may be beneficial for some individuals. Consult with a healthcare professional to explore the options that align with your preferences and needs. Additional tips and advice. As you embark on your journey to quit smoking naturally, remember that setbacks may occur, but they don't define your progress. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and stay committed to your goal. Surround yourself with positivity and continue to explore new ways to enhance your overall well-being. In conclusion, quitting smoking is a transformative journey that requires dedication and a multifaceted approach. By incorporating these natural methods and adopting a healthy mindset, you can break free from the chains of smoking and embrace a smoke-free life. Your health is worth the effort, and every step you take towards quitting is a step towards a brighter, healthier future. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.